Are you financially stuck? Stuck auditing versus moving forward, meticulously tracking deposits and withdrawals, but rarely examining your mental narrative. What are you saying to yourself? So, the parable today is about Andre. Andre could explain every setback, every bad timing, tough economy, no support. His mentor handed him a notepad and said this: write your top 3 excuses. Now replace each one of them with the truth. Hear me. There is always going to be excuses, especially in this season. I don't have support. Nobody is buying from me. All of those things. However, they're literally excuses. So take the time right now in this moment to write down your top 3 excuses and replace them with what you're believing for, what you desire, what you're rewriting your script for. Now, when Andre did that, by the 3rd line, Andre realized excuses cost him more than effort. And within 6 months, the same world looked differently, but it was because he did the work. He did it anyway. He did it regardless of what he was thinking. He stepped across the excuse as if it was a puddle and stepped into his destiny. So, what destiny do you need to cross over into? Now, from a neuroscience perspective, accountability rewires identity circuits, turning blame into a behavior of change. From a biblical perspective, Matthew 25 and 23, you have been faithful with a few things. Now, he says he'll make you ruler of many. So it start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. And then let the great multiplier multiply as you move forward. And Napoleon Hill says, create a definite plan and carry it out. Excuses will always exist. Part of it is the way we talk to ourselves. So keep that in mind as you move forward. And again, do the exercise, because this isn't about shame. It's about clarity. Truth sets you free to move forward with purpose. And that's exactly what happened to Andre. He moved forward with purpose, and so can you. Now is your time. Today is your day. Move forward with purpose.